Welcome back to the Physician Gardener. Right now we are just going to make a quick post-workout smoothie. I'm going to use some baby spinach that I just pulled out of the freezer. Usually I get this spinach and cook with it in dishes. When it starts to go bad, like if I've had it in the fridge too long and I don't plan on using it, I'll stick it in the freezer, which is why it's in this big container. All right, so I like to do half spinach and then half fruit because if you do a smoothie that's all fruit, then it tends to be pretty high in sugar. So to cut the sugar, try and use some veggies in there. So this was just a multi-fruit mix that I think came from, Harris Teeter. Mostly there's only pineapples left in it. For whatever reason. So we're finishing off that bag. We got a couple pieces of peach. Finish that off. And then I typically always add some type of seed to my smoothies. Because adding seeds is a good way to get some healthy fats and boost the protein. Because fruits and vegetables all have some level of protein, but not as much as seeds. So this is just ground flax meal, pretty cheap at Aldi. And so I usually will do either flax meal, chia seeds, or a mixture of the two. Currently I'm out of chia seeds, so it's 2 tablespoons of flax going in this. And that's about 6 grams of protein probably, and 6 grams of fiber. So pretty good. And then I'm going to add some coconut water. Maybe fill it about halfway with coconut water and see what it looks like. That's not going to be enough. Put a little more. And then we're just going to put it in the blender. I have a magic bullet and the pineapple was pretty chunky and it's getting stuck. So just shake it down. Let's try to. Oh, this is going to be a struggle bus smoothie. Pineapple's not cooperating. It would happen that the one time I try to film a smoothie video, I can't get the darn pineapple to blend. Ain't that something? Would be a reason to make sure your fruit isn't all stuck together from being frozen before you put it in the blender. All right, finally got that blended. If you want more protein, you can add soy milk or another milk with protein in it, or you can do like more seeds, a tablespoon of peanut butter or almond butter, something like that. So just gonna taste this. Usually I use a straw, but I don't feel like going to get one. The coconut milk and the pineapple are really coming through. But this is on the thicker side, so if you like a thinner smoothie, add more water. That's all for today. I'll talk to you next time.